South of Swansea is Kelvedon Beach. Still see Freycinet National Park, and I'm going to spend some time relaxing, searching for shells, because the toothberry's a kleptomaniac. So all along the east coast there's shell middens where Aboriginal people would gather together to eat and feast. So here we probably have an example of two cultures colliding. That boat shed is actually heritage listed, one of the oldest in Tasmania, still surviving. From Swansea, the geology starts to change, which I find fascinating. Over here, Freycinet National Park, that's the most southern tip of the granite belt of the east coast. Now we get into the dolerite country. You can see in the foreground with these the rocks here, and over to Maria Island where you've got the big dolerite cliffs, and further down the coast all the way down to Hobart in the southwest.